All right, let's get set up. I got a birthday present. I think I've covered up all of the sensitive parts. That'll give you a hint. True Sonic. So Mrs. Bruce did it. It's an ultrasonic cleaner. I have not looked in here. I'm just as excited as you guys are. So let's just do it. Ultrasonic cleaner. Oh. Okay, there we go. It's exciting. Bigger than I thought it was going to be. But that's okay. It's a 2.5 liter, not a 1.5 liter, which is, I think, great because sometimes, ooh, it's nice. Sometimes it'll be, we'll be cleaning stuff bigger than a Carb. Finish is very nice. It's got a metal basket, and from what I've been reading, that's a good thing. All one piece. That's good. And it doesn't look like there's any way. On some of them, when you empty it, you can spill over the electronics. And this one is solid. Cool wool. Now let's just see if there's anything else in here. I was kind of hoping that there'd be a little basket, like just a mesh basket the size of a lipstick tube to put little things in, like jets. But I'll figure something out. And it says it's supposed to stand off, my reading, right? It's supposed to be lifted off the bottom of the tray. So that's perfect. And let's see. I don't get paid by anybody. Ultrasonic cleaner. Panel instructions. Recommendation. Pretty simple. Never operate longer than 50 minutes. Lots of little flags here. So I'm going to read this. And thank you, Mrs. Bruce. It is cool. And I got a project in mind already. But this will be a separate video. True Sonic. Ultrasonic cleaner. Cleaner switch, heating switch, timer, and temperature. What do you think? Now, I've been reading, and I want your comments, guys. I want lots of comments. I've been reading 20% mixture of, what is it called? Mean Green or Green Power or whatever, and 80% water. I'll read in here whether I can use solvents or not. I don't think so, but we'll see. And I'll come back with that. I'll just read this manual and then I'll come back quickly with that. So thanks for helping me out. Comment as much as you can on the what I use for a liquid. Thanks. I'll be right back. Okay, this is not a surprise. The only thing that I've really read here is do not use corrosive or flammable cleaning liquids in the unit. So, soap material. Exciting! All right. Thanks for this one, guys. It's cool. I'm so excited. I clean a lot of carburetors, and I probably still will. But one more tool in the arsenal, right? All right. This is for your information. This is something I had a hard time finding. So on the ultrasonic cleaner, I looked everywhere on the online, Google, YouTube, and nobody tells you what to use in an ultrasonic cleaner. So this is what I came up with. Mean Green or Simple Green. which is these two. Now, Purple Power, I've been told, turns the aluminum a different color, causes a bit more corrosion, and 20% soap and 80% water. Sorry. So, mean green or simple green. I used mean green today, and it worked great. Couldn't believe it.